I think this might be a retarded, solution for this issue. Oh, shut up. I know that's not a... Shut up! I know it's not a valid expression for f***'s sake. Carrot, for hell. This might be the best way to test your coding skills. In this clicker game, we have a field, a drone, and our crops. This is the farmer was replaced. With every normal clicker game, you get to click the drone, it would harvest the fields, stuff like that. You buy upgrades, some auto harvesting. Here, we get to code all this ourselves. So I've written this code, which plants these bushes, these carrots, buys carrot seeds, and harvests everything. Now let's run it and see how this works. So first of all, we leave these 2 plots of grass where we get hay. Then we've got 10 plots where we have to plant bushes. Those then get harvested. We get wood. And here we buy carrot seeds for hay and wood, plant some carrots, get some carrots. We've got this huge tree of upgrades we can unlock and upgrade as well. Here we can upgrade the speed of the drone, costs 500 carrots. Do I want to do that or not yet? Let me see. Alright, you know what? Let's skip that for a second. Our ultimate goal for now is to unlock this expansion. However, for that, we need 200 pumpkins. How do we unlock pumpkins? Well, we need 1,000 carrots. And getting carrots is a very long process because they take quite a long time to grow. What I realized is that we could unlock trees and most of all watering. Oh, we've done that already, but it's quite difficult. So what watering does is increases the speed at which our plants grow. We really need that. So first I want to unlock trees because I'm really interested. And I see we need 50 wood and we don't have any wood because it all... shit. Because we use wood to buy carrot seeds. Okay, so I'm gonna kill the code. And I have to do some optimization straight away. And then I want to do some cleanup. Because this is garbage. So the problem here is that we always, in these 4 spots, trade for carrot seeds. So we buy carrot seeds for 2 wood and 2 hay, which essentially means we need 8 wood to buy all of these, and we have only 10, thingies. The bushes take a while, to actually grow. So we've got about 8 wood per cycle, so essentially 0 per cycle. So what we have to do here is this. If items... Oh shit, hang on. No. I want to check my inventory somehow. There. If num items dot... What's num items? What the shit? What? Oh, I'm fucked already. Oh, I know. Num items. Sorry, I'm an idiot. It's a function, and what it needs is... Yeah, there we go. Items dot carrot seed. So if we have 0 carrot seeds, only then we want to buy carrot seeds. So this already should make this much cleaner, and since we've got 130 carrot seeds, we can actually get some wood. The trouble here is that I can't actually edit this code while it's running. So I could have 2 windows which are essentially the same, and I could probably edit the code while this is still running. Not sure. Anyway, my point is we now have 50 wood and we can unlock trees. Exactly what I thought. Trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. They give 5 wood each, like bushes. They can be planted on grass or soil. Oh fuck. Trees like to have some space, and planting them right next to each other will slow down their growth. The growing time is doubled for each tree that is on a tile directly to the north, east, west or south of it. So if you plant trees on every tile, they will take 16 times longer to grow. Shit. I'm interested to see what this hint is, but I don't want to spoil anything, but I'm curious. But first of all, let me think about it. And since it's, let's say we plant a tree here, these 4 squares next to it will be the troublesome ones. So what I'm thinking is, let's do diagonals. So the trees can be next to each other diagonally. However, this works like the old school snake game. So if we are on this spot and move north, we actually go to here. So I wonder if this is actually, what did it say, directly? Yeah, directly. I think that's not directly. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see the hint. This operator can be useful, returns remainder of the division, so on and so forth. Why the fuck would I need to know whether it's even or not? Oh well. So first we need a much better way of getting wood. So let's do Farmer 2.0. This is gonna be running. You don't have to see that, because you would have a seizure. And we're gonna do some coding here. We don't have to do this. That basically clears the whole board and starts from scratch. We'll see. Here we have an infinite loop, that's fine. For I in range. So this is basically rows. So let's rename this. So for row in range, and I heard that I don't have to have the 0 here. Can I do this? So for every row in world size, and for every column in world size, I might need the brackets. We shall see later. I like this. If you can harvest, harvest. So then we should have a spot where we can plant something. So we're gonna plant bushes. And I'd say plant bushes. There must be, okay, so let's put the brackets in, because it's complaining. Is it better? Yeah, all right. So let's see, where should we put the bushes? Oh, and now you can see that we actually don't have any carrot seeds anymore, because we don't really need them. I suppose we could only trade for them if we decide to plant them as well, and we should only plant if we can, but you know, screw it, it doesn't really matter at this point, I think. Shut up. So here, then here, and then here. That's 2 for 2, that's 10 trees, which is essentially the same as we have now. That's great, that should work. So that's basically, oh fuck, that's basically every second. That's basically every second cell, isn't it? So not here, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, no, and it flips every time. No, yes, no, yes, yes, no, it doesn't flip. Wait a second. Oh, the starting thingy flips. And I just realized that these are actually columns and these are rows. So what I've got is this. We have a plant tree boolean set to false, and for every cell we negate it and plant the tree if we're supposed to. So start at false, then first we plant, then not, then we do, then we don't, and then we go to another column and we still have the don't, and we need to keep that don't. So let's here negate it once more. So plant tree equals not plant tree. I think this might be a retarded, solution for this issue, but let's see whether this actually works. So I'm gonna run the code, and holy shit, it works! Yes! Bloody hell! Look at that! That's brilliant! I've actually done it. I mean, was I supposed to do some maths bullshit like, is it divisible by 2? Hang on, let's just see what the spots are. So it's 1, here we have 0, 1, 3, then we have 0, 2, and alright, so what I could do is have a sum of the x and y coordinate, and that would probably do something, because here we have 0, 1, 0, 3, so those are both odds. Here we have 1, 0, 1 and 2, that's 3 as well. I suppose we could do it like that. Alright. I was quite happy with that, actually, I have to say. So, no bullshit like that. Nothing like this. Nothing like this. And here we say, if plant a tree. Well, we could say that, or we could say, if column plus row is divisible by 2, do I need brackets? I think I should add brackets. So if it's divisible by 2, only then you plant a tree. But I probably want not divisible. So, oh shit, hang on here. How do I do that again? Not like that? No, not like that. Do I only say not? Like that? No. Fucking hell! I just hate this so much. Well, not equals. That should be a thing. But one time I couldn't negate using that. So I had to write not. Why the hell? So Farmer 3.0 seems to be working. Does it do what we want? Yes, it does. That's really nice. Now we need these 4 spots to be... Oh shit, wait, it doesn't work. Now we have actually more free spots as well. Because before then we had 10 of the bushes. Now we have only 8 trees. We only need 2 spots for hay. So we could technically, I hope, have 6 plots with carrots, right? I suppose so, since we get 5 wood per tree. So let's stop this. Here we plant trees, and actually let's say else if. So that's elif, right? Elif, whatever. And here we're gonna do the carrot stuff. Can I do comments? Or is it hashtag? Yeah, it seems like it's hashtag. I don't actually need it, that's a placeholder for now. I'm gonna copy the carrot code. Give me just a second. Here, that's quite nice. Oh, shut up. I know that's not a... Shut up! I know it's not a valid expression, for fuck's sake. Shut up! Oh my god. So, otherwise, because I don't have to check for the bushes or the trees again, so let's say we are over column of 2 or 3. So the second and third column, we want carrots, right? Here. No, that's 4. We want everywhere. We want carrots everywhere, almost. So if we're over 0, then we do this. So we till the ground. That's sadly only the first time ever when running code we need to till the ground and get soil so we can plant the carrots. Then obviously trade for carrot seeds and plant the carrots. But you know what? I think only if we can't harvest should we plant the carrots. That's obvious, you know, don't try planting the carrots if there are already carrots there. And actually the same goes for everything else. So here we could have an else branch. If we can't harvest, we do all of this. Or what I think is cleaner solution so that we are not too deep, nested too deep in our code. Here we could say continue. Do we have continue? There. So if you can harvest, do it. Oh wait. No, sorry, don't continue if you can harvest. Continue if you can't harvest. So let's say if not can harvest, you continue. Otherwise, you always harvest, because you can, obviously, and then you do the planting. I suppose we could do it like that. Does it work, first of all? Yes, it seems to be working. Why are we moving east all of a sudden? What the shit? Does continue do something else? Immediately continue with the next loop iteration. Affect the innermost loop. Yeah, so what the fuck? I'm so confused right now. Why is it not working? Stop. So here we do columns, and this is the innermost loop right here. So we should... Oh, we're not moving north anymore. Oh, fuck. So shall we be one step behind and move north at the start of the loop? Shall we do that? Yeah. I kinda hate it, because now we are here last, and it all got shifted by 1. But I suppose now the code is much cleaner, so for now I will leave the move here. What I can also do is, since last time we've unlocked functions, I could do carrot, for fucking hell, carrot planter, and here I'm gonna define a function. Plant carrot. There we go. No, do I need a break? How does this work again? Like this? Does this define a function? Let's say just move north for now, and let's just see whether this function is valid. Oh, I'm not calling it. But it seems it's alright, at least the syntax isn't wrong. So what here we could do is copy all of this. So check if you need to till, check for carrot seeds, buy carrot seeds, plant carrots. All of this we could simply put here. Okay, it got fucked up, but never mind. And here we just say plant carrots, like that. It should work. Too much indentation. Yeah, I see that, my man. Don't have to tell me twice. So like that. So this is a nice function. We can't really run it, right? It just exists. But here we do plant carrots and it calls this function. So the code is a little neater. I love it. I love it very much. Now what are the stuff we can unlock? Let's see. We can upgrade the trees. Oh, increase the yield of bushes and trees. Oh yes, please. So this costs hay and we've got 6,000 of hay. And we can upgrade this many times. So now we're at 600%, which means wood should be just flying up. That's 6 times 5. We should have 30 wood per tree. That's insane. Anyway, now we've got a bunch of carrots. I haven't even realized. But probably the code optimization helped. So we can now unlock the pumpkins. I really wanted to dive into the watering part today, but I suppose we could already do pumpkins, right? Unlock sunflowers and power. Are you shitting me? Oh man, I'm just looking forward to having the dinosaurs. Auto unlock, look at that, automatically unlock things, that's insane. Anyway, let's unlock the pumpkins. Oh shit, that's even worse. Grow like carrots on tilled soil, yeah. They require pumpkin seeds to be planted, cost 1 carrot each. Oh, that's interesting. When all the pumpkins in a field are fully grown, they grow together, form a giant pumpkin. What? The yield of a giant pumpkin is the cubed side length of the pumpkin. What the fuck? Right, so individual pumpkin is 1 pumpkin, but if you have 2x2 field of pumpkins, you get 2 cubed, so 8 pumpkins. And so on. Right, I see. So maybe we could take a break for a second and just do a fuck ton of pumpkins. It's a good idea to get the pumpkins as big as possible before harvesting. The problem is that about 1 in 5 pumpkins will die before they grow up. Oh shit. So even if you plant a pumpkin on every tile in a square, exactly what I wanted to do, one of the pumpkins may die and prevent the mega pumpkin from growing. A pumpkin that dies will simply disappear, so you can plant a new one. Well, that's fucking insulting. So is it better then to go with a smaller field? Nah, fuck it. Just leave it to chance. Just leave it to chance. So let's do pumpkin planter. Just like we had the carrot planter from before. And here we actually, you know what? We actually need the exact same code as we have here. So let's actually big brain this and have a universal function called planter. Here we're gonna do all of this, except it's gonna be called plant. Oh, and sorry, that's already an existing function. Can I overload functions? Well, we shall see. This function requires a item we need to plant, and we need the seed, right? So we're gonna need, how do I write this? Entities, a item, and we need items, seed. Okay, a bracket close is expected here. How do I say that? Do I have to, wait, what? I don't probably specify the data type because it's fucking Python, do I? So we get an item and a seed. We always need to till the ground if needed. And if, here we simply say seed, here we say seed. So check number of seeds by seeds and plant item. Does this work? Is this a legit planter? So plant carrots would be just calling the plant function, the one I now, devised. And I'm gonna say plant, what's it, entities? Entities.carrots and items.carrot seed. So does this work? Let's find out. Let's just find out. So I'm gonna run this code and it got stuck and it failed. Plant takes 2 arguments. Yes, it does. So what the fuck is your issue? Have I really overridden the original, so let's call this a plant item. So here we say plant item, right? So now it should work the way we want to. So let's try again. And we have carrots. So it works. So I've learned two things. Number one, look at this beautiful code. Number two, I can actually overload functions. I can't overload functions. But what I'm thinking now is that this carrot planter and the pumpkin planter are actually probably useless. So in my, original code, I am calling plant carrots, but I could just as well call this. I think that's better. And later maybe, because I think Python can have like dictionaries and stuff like that. So I could do something smart which would automatically pair the items to the seeds. So I would just say plant carrots and the code would know, alright, for carrots I obviously need carrot seeds. So let's do it like that. So for now we're gonna delete this. Here we have a beautiful universal planter, and here we're gonna say plant, not carrots, but plant items, I think I said, or item. Shit, why don't you tell me? Plant item, and it's gonna be items.carrots, and I'm gonna need entities fuck, I can't see. Entities.carrots seeds carrots. I think I fucked up. So first of all, it's what we're planting, carrots, and we need carrot seeds. There we go. So run this code. Does it work, first of all? Yes, it fucking does. Beautiful. But now I'm gonna kill the code, and I just need 200 carrots, 200 pumpkins to be able to buy this silly upgrade right here, expand, and have a 5x5 grid. So let's do that. So this is a temporary shitting thing. So let's clear, and then I'm just gonna do, oh shit, I actually want to do this. Oh boy. So let's just say plant item pumpkins, for which you need pumpkin seeds, and then you're gonna continue. So this is a piece of dead code, and the rest is just great. Why haven't you done this in the first iteration? I wonder. That's interesting. Oh wait. Oh no. What the fuck are you doing? If not can harvest. So you can't harvest because there's nothing there actually. Oh shit, I might have messed up. Why aren't you planting the pumpkins? So plant the pumpkins everywhere. Great. Oh, cause they die. Shit. That's interesting. So I'm gonna have to, rewrite this code, because if the pumpkins die, then we can't harvest. So we just continue forever, and we never get to actually planting the pumpkins. So let's say if you can't harvest, you should continue, but also, sorry, not that. And there actually must be something growing there. So let's get entity type, perhaps? Yeah, let's do entity type. And what does this return? Oh shit. I need to say that this is like not nothing. Entities. Yeah, okay. I need to say that there's nothing there. You know what, screw it. Let's have it as we had it before. So, if you can harvest, you harvest. Otherwise, you plant shit and you move at the end of the code always. Shit. What happened? Oh fuck. Whoa. Move. There we go. Move north. And I said that we don't want to waste time with all of this, so let's have a giant fucking else branch here. Else you do all of this. So for now we are doing the pumpkin stuff. Let's just run the code for now, and I can examine it for a second. Yeah, I think that's it now. Oh, that's not right either, because now this never gets triggered, because we always can harvest the fucking grass. Alright, never mind. I think I went overboard with the optimization part. Shit! Oh, so I wanted to press Shift Tab to, do this, but it didn't work and it fucked me over. Right, so we're good now, I think. No, we're not. What's happening? Oh, because we have to continue here, and I forgot that we have to. That's what I meant. That we need to move north. Now does it fucking work? Come on. Plant many pumpkins. These grew together. Some died. Oh, that was a big one. That was beautiful. That was really nice. So we've got a big one here. The others died. This died. Big one there. This didn't have time to grow. These are all dead. These, yeah, just in time. That's really fantastic. That's almost like a roulette or slot machines type of thing. Anyway, we've got 300 pumpkins now. We only need 200. Let's expand. And now we need 500. But we have a beautiful 5x5 grid now. That's incredible. So now, why are you skipping these? Are you stupid? What? How? So, I think I might have broken the game, and we actually see behind the scenes of how the game was made. So when you expand a field, what actually happens is that this row or thingy, you know, this line is added to the field, which is crazy. And because the code is still running, the world size, as you see, is still 4. So actually these get skipped because here the drone moves north and east, because he doesn't know that there's this, you know, spot there. So I can just rerun the code, try again, and now world size is 5. The drone knows what to do. Here we should have, oh fuck, it died. And it should harvest something beautiful. The pumpkins are obviously dying all the time. I don't really care. We could do it the smarter way, but for now, we just need as many as possible. Can we upgrade that? 1.2k carrots. Let's do it. Pumpkin seeds cost twice as much, but they yield double the amount of pumpkins. So we're at 500, we can expand again, and let's just rerun the code, because we would have another diagonal there. Oh, that's really beautiful. I'm really happy with myself and what I've done today. Now we need a fuck ton of pumpkins, and we don't have carrot seeds anymore. So I think we're gonna have to do something about it. And in the meantime, we can increase the yield of bushes and trees again, and also yield of carrots, because I think, let's do it a couple times. So each carrot now costs 5 wood, I believe, or maybe more. 5 wood, I believe. And that's brilliant. I mean, we need almost 2,000 pumpkins, and if we're lucky, we should have some, you know, big spots, so it gets cubed, and we could get there potentially. Let's see. We've only got 700 carrots now. I don't think we're gonna get there. Yeah, no chance. I think with the pumpkins, we would have to be really smart and plant everywhere, then check for missing spots and plant there again, because it's really worth to wait before harvesting. So we would have like a designed spot, maybe 3x3 spot right here for pumpkins, or 4x4, and we would start planting, and then every time you would go through and check every spot, is there a pumpkin missing? If so, you know, set a boolean. If not, then harvest the whole thing and again start planting. And when you're planting for the first time, there's obviously gonna be every pumpkin missing, so the code should be quite generic. We could potentially do it. We need how many? 500 pumpkins we need, and we've got 300 carrot seeds. Now, no chance, no chance. We would need the big ones, the 3x3s. Oh, these ones? Come on! We just need these ones. Nice. And we need them again. I'm sorry to say that, but we do. 200 pumpkins needed. Come on, that's gotta be close. That's like lottery. 50. Yes, that's a big one. And we've done it. Oh wait, do we need 50 more? Oh shit. Okay, let's see. Damn. Oh yeah, it worked. Alright, so let's kill the code. I'm gonna remove this part since we don't need that anymore. Run this code, and it should again plant many trees and many carrots. Now, just before I do anything, I need to know, we were at 7.7k, and I need to know whether we have enough trees or not. But it seems that we've got surplus of wood, so we're fine. And let's expand once more. That's brilliant. World size 7. Fuck me. That's insane. I love this game. I thought that this game might be a little boring at the start, but, you know, or short, because there's not much to do. But man, there's so much to do. I love it. So the plan for next time is clear, and honestly, I wanted to do some watering, but now it seems we might not even have to, because the drone takes so long to get back to the start. Everything is fully grown by then. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any suggestions, please do let me know.